To make a perfect lentil moimoi, I'll be showing you in this video. After soaking for about 4 hours, then I rinsed and poured into a blender, adding my long pointed pepper. In Yoruba they call it tatashe. Then added some onions and then water into the blender. So you will want to add just a little bit of water because the lentils itself is a bit soaked already and it doesn't really take in much water. So after that, I blended into a smooth place, started from a medium to high blending, not to the extremely high or pulse blending. After making sure that it is soft and fluffy, then I went on to change it to pour it into the bowl. So after adding it up into a bowl, then I added my secret ingredient, which is crayfish powder, added coconut milk powder, and then this is a game changer. It made it so tasty and fluffy, and it gave it some flavor. Then I added some seasoning cubes. Then you may want to add some salt also. So then I went on to chopping the egg into a bit. But you can also add a full egg into each moimoi if you are okay. After that, I went on to adding some groundnut oil. You could use olive oil. My mom prefers using some sardine oil, so just to give it some flavor. So if you mix this thoroughly, because my bowl is a bit full, so I was doing this gently, otherwise I would have done it more faster to incorporate some air into it. Some would also add or use some whisk. Then I went on to pouring it bit by bit into my moimoi leaf, but I will show you gradually how to make the moimoi using the leaf. So first thing first, you want to get the moimoi, take away some stock in the middle, then roll it and fold it gently, just as I'm doing in this video. Then you want to fold it away from you, which is very important. Then just put in some appropriate size of moimoi batter. I added some air fried Titus fish to it, and then I added some eggs, and I did some for both. After doing this, you want to fold it away from you at the top to make it sit down in the pot. So I want to show you this again because you need some more practicing. So it is very easy to make if you can be patient with the moimoi leaves, and then you can try this method out. So easy to make. So in this one, I added the fish and the egg. You could add some crayfish, some prawn, depending on your taste, or some corned beef. After doing this very well, I added some water to make it boil. Be aware that in my pot, I added some leaf before adding the moimoi leaf to it, just to give it some base, then covered up with some moimoi leaf just to incorporate some flavor into the moimoi from above. So then after about 45 to 1 hour, the moimoi is ready. So let's see what we have here. So it was very hot and I was just trying to be careful. See how the moimoi came out so well, so fluffy, not too watery, not too soft, not too hard. You can see how easily it's coming off. So then I took this with some Gary flakes. So added some ice cubes, added my milk and water into the Gary just to give it some perfect base. You could combine it with ogi, which is pap, custard, or whatever is available to you, and you could also eat this with bread. But I chose to take my with Gary as that was what was available. Then I drank my Gary with my lentils moimoi, and then I will say that this is even more better than using beans. Please like, share and comment. Thank you so much.